This is the direct vent exhaust for the gas Bryant furnace. You can hear it sounds like there's a car and spokes of a bicycle. That noise is obviously echoing throughout the exhaust pipe. I also take a shot inside the house, looking at the actual furnace. This is the sound inside the furnace. You're looking at the fan right now, Inducer fan. It's in the motor. It's hard to say if that sound's coming from the motor or the fan assembly itself. It almost sounds like it's coming from the motor. Yeah, it sounds like it's coming from the actual motor, maybe the ball bearings or something like that.